TOPDON ONE bidirectional scan tool is an advanced, professional-grade diagnostic platform engineered for auto repair shops, technicians, and advanced DIYers. Built around a responsive 10.1-inch touchscreen tablet, it bridges the gap between independent aftermarket scanners and expensive OE dealership equipment. Core capabilities and features full system diagnostics and bidirectional control. Performs deep OE-level scans across 120-plus vehicle brands to read/clear codes, view live data streams, up to 12 parameters simultaneously, and execute active tests/component controls, e.g., fuel pump tests, cycling ABS solenoids, injector buzz tests. OE-level topology mapping generates a visual, color-coded map of the vehicle's entire network architecture, showing module communication paths and highlighting active DDC counts to instantly pinpoint network issues. TopFix AI integration. Built-in artificial intelligence that interprets fault codes, provides likely root causes, lists related symptoms, and suggests step-by-step diagnostic and repair workflows alongside wiring diagrams. Advanced ECU coding and customization. Provides dealer-level coding, component matching, module initializations for over 10 brands, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, VAG, Toyota, and Nissan, alongside one-tap preset configuration shortcuts. J2534 pass-through support. Functions as a J2534 communication interface, allowing you to connect to a laptop and run OEM software updates and module programming. Subscriptions sold separately. 50-plus maintenance and service functions. Comprehensive coverage for daily workshop resets and calibrations, including oil resets, electronic parking brake, EPB, service, battery management system, BMS, resets, DPF regeneration, steering angle calibration, and throttle matching. Modern protocol and security gateway support, fully compatible with high-speed CAN-FD and DUIP communication protocols. It also features authorized bypass support for FCA secure gateways, SGW, Renault, Nissan, and VAG SFD access. Technical specifications display, 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen. Connectivity, high-speed wireless VCI communication via stable dual Wi-Fi. Software environment, Android-based open/closed diagnostic ecosystem with frequent update support. If you want an uncompromising, future-proof diagnostic tool that handles everything from basic service lights to module coding and network topology mapping, the TOPDON ONE is a formidable choice for modern vehicle architectures. Would you like help comparing this TOPDON ONE diagnostic tool with other scan tools or workshop equipment?